To honor the July 2024 martyrs, we now present Rhythms of Remembrance, a performance dedicated to the heroes who gave their lives for our freedom. Now we are honored to welcome on stage Pranti, Sonia and Amy, the Girls Agency Ambassadors from Jonaki, the Women Empowerment and Community Development Center of ECS. These young girls are now professional dancers, nor have they had the opportunity to receive formal dance trainings, as they come from undeserved communities. Yet with immense dedication and passion, they have learned and rehearsed this performance on their own, under the caring guidance of Ms. Tiva Tasha, Program Executive of ECS, and Ms. Lipi Akhtar, Coordinator of Jonaki ECS. Let us now welcome them to the stage with a warm round of applause.
Mundiro soprano tale,